Hello everyone. Welcome to the introductory session on artificial intelligence, abbreviated as AI. Today, we're going to take a bird's-eye view of this fascinating and transformative technology. After going through this video, you will have a fair understanding of AI, its history, its types, and the key technologies of it. You will also be familiarized with the applications and benefits of AI. You will also come across the key challenges and ethical considerations to keep in mind using AI. Let us get started. Have you ever wondered how virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa answer questions, set reminders, send messages, play music, and even control smart home devices? Or how cars like Tesla can drive autonomously, navigating traffic and avoiding obstacles without human intervention? And how chatbots on websites provide accurate customer support, answer queries, and guide users through complex processes. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence to uncover the answers to these questions and explore the technology behind these amazing innovations. So, let's start by understanding what AI actually is and why it's so important. What exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence, often called AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. These machines are programmed to think, learn, and make decisions, much like humans do. Imagine having a machine that can understand your voice, recognize your face, or even drive a car by itself. It's pretty amazing, right? Imagine having a virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa on your phone. When you ask it a question, it understands your words, processes them, and gives you a helpful response. That's AI at work, machines mimicking human intelligence to assist us in our daily tasks. Now, why is AI such a big deal? Well, first, AI enhances efficiency. It can handle repetitive tasks much faster and more accurately than a human ever could. Think about how quickly a robot can assemble products in a factory, way faster than a human could. Here's an example. Picture a robot on an assembly line, tirelessly putting together parts of a product without getting tired or making mistakes. That's the power of AI in enhancing efficiency. Second, AI enables automation, which means machines can perform tasks without any human intervention. For instance, self-driving cars use AI to navigate roads and make decisions, freeing up human drivers to focus on other things during their commute. And finally, AI drives innovation. It opens up new possibilities and helps create technologies that were once the stuff of science fiction. The Turing test, introduced by Alan Turing in 1950, marked the beginning of AI by proposing a scenario where a machine's intelligence is evaluated based on its ability to produce human-like responses in a text-based conversation. This test shifted the focus to creating machines that can mimic human thought processes, laying the foundation for modern AI development. Fast forward to 1956, when the term artificial intelligence was officially coined at the Dartmouth Conference. This event is often considered the birth of AI as a field of study. Over the decades, AI has hit several significant milestones. One of the big ones happened in 1997 when IBM's Deep Blue made headlines by defeating Garry Kasparov, the reigning world chess champion. This was a huge moment, showing that machines could outperform humans in really complex tasks. In 2011, IBM did it again with Watson. Watson amazed everyone by winning the game show Jeopardy! Against human champions. Its ability to understand and process natural language was a major breakthrough in AI technology. Then, in 2016, Google's AlphaGo pulled off an incredible feat by defeating Lee Sedol, one of the world's best Go players. Go is an ancient board game that's far more complex than chess, and AlphaGo's victory demonstrated just how advanced AI's learning and strategic capabilities had become. Now, AI isn't just one thing, it actually comes in different forms and levels of sophistication. To get a better handle on it, let's break it down into three main types: narrow AI, general AI, and artificial superintelligence. First up, we have narrow AI, also known as weak AI. Don't let the name fool you. Narrow AI is quite powerful within its specific domain. It's designed to perform particular tasks, like recognizing speech, suggesting songs, or even driving a car. Think about the virtual assistants many of us use daily, like Siri on your iPhone or Alexa in your smart home. These assistants can do a lot, but they are limited to the tasks they've been programmed to handle. Next, we have general AI, also known as strong AI. This type of AI is sort of the holy grail in the field. General AI would have the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, just like a human can. Imagine an AI that can perform any intellectual task a human can do, from solving complex math problems to understanding literature. As fascinating as it sounds, we haven't achieved general AI yet, it's still a theoretical concept. Finally, there's artificial superintelligence. This is a future concept where AI not only matches but surpasses human intelligence in all aspects. Superintelligent AI would outperform humans in every field, from scientific research to social interactions. It's the kind of AI you see in science fiction movies, and it opens up a lot of exciting possibilities, along with some significant ethical and safety considerations. Now that we've covered the different types of AI, let's dive into some of the key technologies that power AI systems. These technologies are the building blocks that enable AI to perform a wide range of tasks. First, we have machine learning, or ML. This technology involves algorithms that allow computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to perform the task. A simple example of ML in action is Netflix recommending shows or movies based on your viewing history. The more you watch, the better it gets at suggesting what you might like next. Next is deep learning, a specialized subset of machine learning. Deep learning uses neural networks with many layers, hence the term deep, to analyze and interpret complex data. A common example is facial recognition technology on social media platforms, which can identify and tag people in photos automatically. These neural networks learn to recognize patterns and details that are almost impossible for traditional algorithms to handle. Another key AI technology is natural language processing, or NLP. NLP enables machines to understand, interpret, and respond to human language in a way that is both meaningful and useful. You've probably interacted with NLP through customer service chatbots that can answer your questions or through virtual assistants like Google Assistant that can understand and execute your voice commands. Lastly, there's computer vision. This technology allows machines to interpret and make decisions based on visual input from the world around them. For instance, self-driving cars use computer vision to recognize pedestrians, other vehicles, and traffic signs, enabling them to navigate safely through streets and highways. Now, it is the time to know the key applications of AI. First, let's look at healthcare. AI is revolutionizing diagnostics by analyzing medical images, like X-rays and MRIs, to detect diseases such as cancer with greater accuracy and speed. In personalized medicine, AI helps tailor treatments to individual patients based on their genetic information, lifestyle, and environment. And in robotic surgery, AI assists surgeons in performing highly precise operations, reducing the risk of human error and improving patient outcomes. Next up is the finance sector. AI is a powerful tool for fraud detection, quickly identifying unusual transactions that might indicate fraudulent activity, which helps protect customers and banks. It also plays a significant role in algorithmic trading, executing trades at the optimal times to maximize profits. Furthermore, AI assists in risk management by assessing financial risks and helping investors make more informed decisions. In transportation, AI is making a big impact with the development of autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars and trucks use AI to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and transport passengers safely. AI also optimizes traffic management by analyzing traffic patterns and adjusting signals to reduce congestion. In logistics, AI improves delivery routes and supply chain efficiency, ensuring goods are delivered faster and more reliably. Lastly, AI enhances our entertainment experiences in many ways. Recommendation systems, like those used by Netflix and Spotify, analyze your preferences to suggest movies, music, and other content you might enjoy. AI is also used in content generation, creating music, art, and even stories. Additionally, AI powers interactive experiences in virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, providing more immersive and engaging entertainment options. Now that we know the applications of AI, let's explore some of the key advantages AI brings to the table. First up is increased efficiency. AI significantly boosts efficiency by automating repetitive and mundane tasks, allowing us to focus on more complex and creative activities. For example, many companies use AI-powered customer service chatbots. These chatbots can handle a wide range of customer inquiries without human intervention, providing quick and accurate responses while freeing up human employees for more important tasks. Next, we have enhanced decision-making. AI improves decision-making processes by providing data-driven insights and predictions. In healthcare, for instance, AI algorithms can analyze medical data to assist doctors in diagnosing diseases more accurately and quickly. This not only improves patient outcomes but also helps in managing healthcare resources more effectively. Lastly, AI drives innovation by enabling the creation of new products and services that were previously unimaginable. One familiar example is the personalized recommendations we see on streaming platforms like Netflix or Spotify. AI analyzes your viewing or listening habits to suggest content you might enjoy, enhancing your experience and keeping you engaged. While AI offers tremendous benefits, it also presents various challenges and raises important ethical considerations that we need to address as we continue to develop and deploy AI technologies. First up is bias and fairness. One of the significant challenges in AI is bias and fairness. AI systems can inherit biases from the data they are trained on, which can lead to unfair outcomes. For example, AI algorithms used in hiring processes might unintentionally discriminate against certain groups if the training data is biased. Ensuring fairness and mitigating biases in AI systems is essential for building trust and promoting inclusivity. Next, let's talk about privacy. Privacy is another critical ethical consideration in AI. With the increasing use of AI systems that collect and analyze vast amounts of personal data, there are growing concerns about data privacy and protection. Smart devices, social media platforms, and other AI-driven technologies raise questions about who has access to our data and how it's being used. Protecting personal privacy while harnessing the power of AI is a delicate balance that requires careful attention. Job displacement is another major issue. The automation enabled by AI has the potential to reshape the workforce, leading to job displacement in certain industries. While automation can increase efficiency and productivity, it also raises concerns about job loss and the need for retraining and reskilling. Addressing the impact of automation on employment is crucial for ensuring a smooth transition to the AI-driven economy of the future. Finally, there's the challenge of regulation. As AI technologies become more widespread and powerful, there's a growing need for policies and regulations to govern their development and use. This includes establishing guidelines for the ethical use of AI in sensitive areas like healthcare, finance, and criminal justice. Effective regulation can help ensure that AI is used responsibly and for the benefit of society. As we look ahead, it's clear that AI will continue to shape our world in profound ways. Let's explore some of the trends, speculations, and opportunities that lie ahead in the future of artificial intelligence. First, AI is becoming even more integrated into our daily lives. From smartphones to homes and workplaces, AI will play a significant role in how we interact with technology. There's also a push towards democratizing AI, making it accessible to more people and businesses. Additionally, AI will be used more in edge computing, enabling faster and more efficient data processing. Now, let's speculate a bit about the future of AI. One area of interest is the development of artificial general intelligence, AGI, and, eventually, artificial superintelligence, ASI. AGI, a machine capable of understanding any intellectual task that a human can, is still theoretical but raises important questions about capabilities and ethics. We might also see increased collaboration between humans and AI in fields like healthcare and creativity, solving complex problems together. Despite some uncertainties, the future of AI presents many opportunities. New job roles and industries will emerge, creating demand for skilled professionals in AI ethics, data science, and machine learning. Moreover, AI has the potential to tackle global challenges like climate change and healthcare disparities, helping us make significant strides towards a better future for everyone. Let's check your understanding based on the concepts covered in the video. Here is the first question: which AI system defeated the world chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997? You can hit the pause button and try answering it on your own. The correct answer is option B. Deep blue. Next question is, which ethical consideration in AI refers to the unintentional discrimination caused by biases in AI systems? Hit the pause button and try to answer. The correct answer is option C. Bias and fairness. Let us do a quick recall of what we have covered in the video. We started with the introduction to AI, got to know its history. We also saw the key AI technologies, along with applications and their benefits. Lastly, we discussed the key challenges and ethical considerations to keep in mind using AI. That was all for this session. We will dive deep into the other concepts in the upcoming videos. Thank you.